Scene 1. What is tidal locking? Tidal locking happens when a body's rotation period equals its orbital period. It always shows the same face to its parent, like the Moon does to Earth. Some exoplanets are tidally locked to their stars. If Earth became tidally locked to the Sun, one hemisphere would face perpetual daylight, the other would never see the Sun again. Earth would no longer spin, it would hang in space, half alive. Scene 2. How could Earth become tidally locked? Normally, Earth is too far and too massive for the Sun to tidally lock it anytime soon. It would take billions of years. But in this scenario, a cosmic collision slows Earth's rotation. A passing celestial body alters its angular momentum, or advanced alien intervention halts the spin. Whatever the cause, Earth stops spinning and the world divides. Scene 3. The eternal day side. A world of fire. The sun-facing hemisphere experiences unending solar radiation, temperatures soaring past 120 degrees, oceans evaporating into massive clouds, atmosphere rising in turbulent updrafts, a permanent hurricane system in the subsolar point. The land becomes desert, soil cracks, plants shrivel, human skin burns in minutes. It's a world too bright, too hot, too relentless, a place where fire rules. Scene 4. The eternal night side, a world of ice. The dark side, on the other hand, drops to 100 degrees and beyond. Atmosphere begins to freeze and collapse, oceans turn to glaciers, sky loses its color, becomes pitch black. Cities turn to tombs, but in this cold, stars shine bright. A frozen silence dominates. Time stands still in the dark, a world where ice reigns. Scene 5. The Twilight Zone, Earth's last habitable ring. Between fire and ice lies a narrow band, the Terminator line. Here, temperatures are tolerable. Water flows in rivers from melting glaciers. Wind constantly howls from pressure imbalance. A thin atmosphere fights to stay stable. This is Earth's last refuge. Civilization shrinks into a ribbon of twilight, clinging to balance between day and night. A world where you can walk from eternal morning to endless dusk in a single step. Scene 6. What happens to weather and oceans? With no rotation, the Coriolis effect disappears. Jet streams collapse, winds flow directly from day to night. The result? Constant hurricane-force winds toward the dark side. Gigantic cloud walls forming on the day edge. Water circulates violently. Ocean currents break down. Weather becomes brutal and one-directional. The planet breathes in long, chaotic gusts. Scene 7. Could life adapt? Yes, but it would change forever. Plants evolve to live in constant sun or perpetual dark. Animals become heat-resistant desert dwellers or ice-hardened nocturnals. Humans live underground or in sealed climate bubbles. Cities migrate toward the twilight zone. Energy relies on geothermal, wind, and solar harvesting from extremes. It becomes a planet of survival, of engineering, of strict geographic division. A world sliced in half, yet still alive. This Scene 8. Philosophical reflections. One face, one fate. In this world, time isn't marked by sunrise or sunset. There are no days, only direction, toward the sun or away from it. People define their lives by light or shadow. The concept of time, language, culture all shifts. Perhaps one day, a child might look up at the horizon, where the sun forever kisses the clouds, and ask, what is night? Outro. Slow piano, with visuals of Earth's Terminator band glowing faintly between extremes. So what if Earth became tidally locked to the sun? It would split into two worlds, one of relentless fire, one of eternal frost, with a fragile strip of hope in between.